Hello everyone, I am Sudhanshu and today we are here to explore Teksun's Telep AI solution. At Teksun, we are paving the way for safer and smarter tomorrow with our Telep AI suite, which includes 20 plus advanced general purpose AI models. These cutting edge solutions leverage artificial intelligence to power various functionalities, ensuring fast emergency response while enhancing security measures. Telep AI solution includes fire detection, smoke detection, fall detection, sign language detection, safety gear detection, gesture control, AI games, intrusion detection, face identification, occupancy detection, facial expressions, word spotting, human activity, shout detection, driver monitoring, car occupancy, drowsiness detection, stress monitoring, crash alert and gun detection as well. Let's explore the Telep solution with live demonstrations. Here on the screen, I will walk you through multiple AI models showcasing the versatility and effectiveness driving the Telep solution capability. Let's begin with intrusion detection. The intrusion detection model is designed for secure areas restricting access. Upon configuring detection parameters and defining monitored zones with the Telep application, any authorized entry moves into the designated areas triggers an immediate alarm. These real-time alerts are sent to the cloud for immediate action. Now we would look upon the demo for this. Upon opening the intrusion detection and drawing the defined parameters, if the intruder moves from this side to this side, it will detect the intruder. As you can see, the intruder is detected. Now coming to driver drowsiness detection. Facial geometry identifies signs like yawning and eye blinks. As I demonstrate a yawn, you can observe the system tracking the count and yawn per minute ratio, triggering an alert upon detection. Once yawns are detected, a warning is generated. Additionally, Telep records each eye blink. Next, let's explore stress monitoring. The input face image is captured and cropped from the live camera feed positioned in front of the individual. Utilizing the facial landmark model, RPPG signals are extracted from pixel information in each frame, allowing mapping using ground truth data to monitor the stress index. This is how it works. It will give the oxygen saturation, heart rate and stress index, including the low, medium and high tense rate, and the facial expression as well, from neutral to sad to happy to anger to surprise and to disgust. Moving on to occupancy detection, Teksun Telep occupancy detection can be used in multiple areas such as office space, restaurants, waiting areas, meeting rooms, universities, and a host of other on-site facilities. Now, looking at the demo of occupancy detection, my colleagues here are supporting me in this demo. As you can see, there is an empty chair in between, so it shows green color there. So my colleague Vivek here just went and sat on the chair and the seats are occupied, so it will show all red. These highlighted AI models provide a glimpse of what Telep solution offers. Explore our YouTube channel or visit our website for a detailed understanding. Thank you for exploring Teksun's Telep solution with me today.